Gentlemen, let's be honest for a moment. You remember those mornings in your younger years, when you'd wake up feeling alive, strong, and ready to take on the day? That natural morning rise wasn't just physical, it was a quiet signal that your body, your hormones, and your blood flow were all in perfect balance. But somewhere along the way, that signal started to fade. For many men after 40 or 50, those morning erections become weaker, less frequent, or disappear completely. And that change hits deeper than most will admit. You start wondering, what happened to me? Am I getting old too fast? Is this the beginning of the end? Well, the good news is no, it's not the end. In fact, your body can bounce back naturally. And today, I'm going to show you 2 simple vitamins you can take before bed that help restore your natural testosterone rhythm, improve blood circulation, and bring back your morning confidence naturally. Before we dive in, I'm Dr. Luna, a urologist with over 8 years of experience helping men regain their vitality without relying on pills or risky treatments. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe to Stoic Pro, where we talk about real men's health, backed by science and natural wisdom. All right, let's begin. Let's start with something most men don't realize. Morning wood isn't just about arousal. It's actually a vital sign of your internal health. Morning erections happen when your testosterone levels peak during the early hours of sleep, especially in REM sleep. This rise in testosterone triggers stronger blood flow to the pelvic region, signaling that your blood vessels, nerves, and hormones are working together perfectly. So, when that morning signal starts fading, it often means one or more of these systems, hormones, blood flow, or sleep quality, is out of balance. And that's exactly where the 2 vitamins we'll talk about today come into play. They help restore your natural testosterone rhythm, relax your blood vessels, and optimize sleep hormones so your body can perform like it's supposed to, even after 50. Number 1. Vitamin D3. If there's one vitamin most men underestimate, it's vitamin D3. Some scientists even call it a hormone because it influences over 1,000 processes in your body, including testosterone production and blood vessel function. Here's the problem. Most men over 40 are deficient in vitamin D3, especially those who spend long hours indoors or live in places with limited sunlight. When your vitamin D3 levels drop, your body struggles to produce testosterone efficiently. And without enough testosterone at night, your body won't trigger the strong morning response you once had. But here's where it gets interesting. Research shows that taking vitamin D3 before bed can help your body's natural testosterone rhythm align with your sleep cycle. Why? Because vitamin D3 interacts with melatonin, your sleep hormone, improving both deep sleep quality and testosterone release during REM stages. That means better sleep, better hormone balance, and better performance, all from one simple vitamin. How to take it? Take 2,000 to 5,000 IU of vitamin D3 with a small amount of healthy fat, like olive oil or fish oil, about 30 to 60 minutes before bed. Consistency is key. It's not an instant fix, but within 2 to 3 weeks, most men start noticing stronger energy, improved mood, and yes, the return of that natural morning rise. Pairing vitamin D3 with vitamin K2 can further support calcium balance and circulation, keeping your arteries flexible and blood flow healthy. Number 2. Magnesium. Now, the second vitamin is one that almost every man over 50 desperately needs: magnesium. This mineral is often called the relaxation mineral, and for good reason. Magnesium controls over 300 enzymatic reactions, including those responsible for testosterone production, nerve control, and blood vessel relaxation. When you're low on magnesium, which most men are, your muscles, including the small vascular muscles around your pelvic region, remain tight and constricted. That means weaker blood flow and less nighttime oxygen delivery to those vital areas. And here's the twist. Magnesium is also crucial for reducing cortisol, your body's stress hormone. When cortisol stays high, testosterone stays low. So by taking magnesium before bed, you help your body calm down, lower stress levels, and create the perfect environment for healthy testosterone and blood flow. How to take it? Take 200 to 400 milligrams of magnesium glycinate or citrate about 1 hour before bed. Avoid magnesium oxide. It's poorly absorbed and can upset your stomach. Combine it with vitamin D3 for maximum results. This duo supports deep sleep, muscle relaxation, and morning circulation all at once. Many of my patients report that after 2 weeks of this bedtime combination, they not only sleep better, they wake up feeling firmer, more refreshed, and more confident in their body again. Let's look at what's really happening inside your body when you use these vitamins correctly. During deep sleep, your body enters what's called nocturnal hormonal restoration. It's when testosterone is released in pulses. If your body lacks vitamin D3 or magnesium, those pulses weaken, blood flow slows, and the nerves that control arousal lose sensitivity. But once these nutrients are restored, testosterone starts flowing normally again. Your blood vessels open up, and oxygen-rich blood starts circulating freely. That's why men often say, "It's like my body just remembered what it used to do." Now, vitamins alone won't fix everything. They work best when combined with the right habits. Here's what I recommend. Checkmark sleep 7 to 8 hours every night. Your testosterone rises mostly during REM sleep. Limit alcohol and sugar before bed. They crash your testosterone and restrict blood flow. Do light stretching or breathing before sleep. This reduces cortisol and tension in pelvic muscles. Stay hydrated. Even mild dehydration can reduce erection quality. These small actions amplify the effects of your vitamins and help your body naturally produce and circulate testosterone while you sleep. Here's a simple example of what I personally recommend to my patients. Evening. After dinner. Take 400 milligrams magnesium glycinate 30 minutes before bed. Take 2,000 to 5,000 IU vitamin D3 with a teaspoon of olive oil or fish oil. 5 minutes of slow breathing. Inhale deeply, exhale slowly. Allow your body to fully relax. Sleep 7 to 8 hours in a dark, quiet room. Do this for 3 to 4 weeks consistently and watch what happens. You'll not only see changes in your morning wood, but also in your overall energy, mood, and confidence. Gentlemen, your body is not broken. What you're experiencing is often just a nutritional and hormonal imbalance, and it can be corrected naturally. Those morning signals are your body's way of saying, "I'm alive, I'm balanced, I'm strong," and with just 2 simple vitamins, vitamin D3 and magnesium, you can help your body remember that again. So tonight, before bed, make a small decision that can bring back a big change. Because your health, your confidence, and your vitality are worth it. If you found this helpful, please like this video, subscribe to Stoic Pro, and share it with a friend who needs this reminder. I'm Dr. Luna. Stay strong, stay steady, and remember, age doesn't define your power, your habits do.